Kevin here at Iron Mountain. We're going to go over poor previous repairs. This bumper was in an accident evidently. Instead of them putting a new bumper on it, I cannot imagine the amount of time they had in to try to repair this. Being this is such an inexpensive part to replace, it blows me away. Look at the amount of time they have in the back here, which doesn't matter because that's a pretty poor excuse for a repair. You get in up here, they've adjusted this out as far as they can to even try to make the headlight work, which doesn't. You get down here to the the computer box, it's got a hole in it. They never even tried to fasten it. You come up here to the left rail, it is literally torn. Right here, it's torn. The fucking whole thing's in. That, I don't even know how they made the fender fit or attempt to. It's amazing. You come down here, there's overspray on all this belt moldings all the way around this quarter glass window because most shops would have tried to maybe at least lift tape it. They're not smart enough to even try to do that. They tried to tape it off. Pretty amazing. So I'd be on the watch out where you take your car to get fixed because this car is not safe to be driven. So there you go.